May study now pay later ba si GSIS for college students? Answer, yes friends. Please watch the full video. I-explain po natin. So based po sa research natin sa website ni GSIS, ito po, yung payment terms po ni GSIS Educational Loan is 10 years with a maximum grace period of 5 years. That means loan repayment period shall only begin on the 6th year of the loan. The interest rate is 8% per annum. So, ibig sabihin, friends, kung mag-loan tayo sa educational loan ni GSIS, 6 years after pa tayo mag-start ng payment. Ibig sabihin, sa first year to fifth year, ay wala pong bayad sa loan na ito. So, kung may college student ka na 5-year course, from first year to fifth year, wala pong bayad sa loan. Yes, friends, you heard me right. Pag-graduate na po ng anak ninyo, mag-start ang payment. Napakagandang educational loan po ito. And may time kayo na makaipon at graduate na po yung anak ninyo bago mag-start ang loan payments. And good thing po, interest rate is 8% per annum. Kaya tinawag ito na study now, pay later kasi po, yun nga, after 6 years pa po, mag-start ang loan payments. So ang GSIS Educational Loan, as you can see, defined as a new study now, pay later program intended for children and or relatives of active GSIS members who are currently pursuing a college degree. So for college students pala ito ng mga anak natin at hindi lang po anak but pwede din pala ng mga relatives ni active GSIS members. So when you say active GSIS members, yung nag-contribute sa GSIS monthly and I believe 15 years po na may remittance ka sa GSIS or 15 years na service record as government employee ang mag-qualify nito. 15 years or more, right? So kung less than 15 years ka na GSIS member, ay hindi pa po pwede mag-GSIS educational loan. So yan po ang understanding natin sa educational loan po na ito na nabasa natin sa website ni GSIS. So moving forward, loanable amount sa educational loan na ito, ang maximum loanable amount is 100,000 for each year or each school year or a maximum of 500,000 for a 5-year college degree. So, every year po, meron tayong 100,000 na ma-release sa GSIS pambayad ng tuition ni college student. So, kung 5-year course yan, 500,000 all in all ang loan ninyo. Pero kung 4-year course lang, 400,000 only, right? So very clear po yan, 100,000 each year, may pambayad talaga tayo sa tuition ng anak natin na college student. At hindi lang po anak, but pwede relatives. So kung interested kayo sa educational loan na ito, visit GSIS branch. Kasi po, pwede tayo mag-loan, anak natin na college student, and or relatives. May mga application form si GSIS and basic requirements. I-comply lang po natin. Goods po ito sa mga parents na walang budget sa college education. Avail of this educational loan. Napakagandang offer ni GSIS. Hope na may na-learn tayo sa content natin at natulungan ko kayo na mabigyang idea sa college education ng mga anak natin. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.